You replay conversations in your head.
You wonder if they feel the same.
Sometimes they don't.
You ask yourself, why do I get attached so fast?
This documentary is about that balloon sachet and why hearts float before minds catch up.
Attachment is glue. It makes us stick to people.
Babies learn attachment from caregivers.
Inconsistent comfort makes us cling tighter.
Psychologists call this attachment style.
Even as adults, we carry those blueprints.
Fearful attachment mixes both, hit and redful, clinging and pulling away.
None of these styles are bad. They're just different.
They're survival strategies that your brain built to protect you.
Your brain is protecting you, even when it feels overwhelming.
That's the foundation of why you attach fast. Attachment is wiring, not weakness.
Secure attachment feels safe.
Anxious attachment clings too tightly.
Avoidant attachment pulls away from closeness.
Fearful attachment mixes both, clinging and pulling away.
Fast attachment feels exciting!
Oxytocin bonds you quickly, like superglue.
Your brain says, this is safe. But sometimes, it's not. You text too much, too soon.
You imagine futures instantly.
You ignore red flags.
You confuse intensity with intimacy.
Childhood wiring meets adult hormones.
That's why it feels overwhelming. It feels overwhelming.
You fear abandonment. You chase reassurance.
You overanalyze texts.
You mistake silence for rejection.
Your brain is scanning for danger. But it's really craving safety.
That's the conflict. Excitement versus fear. Attachment feels like a race. And sometimes you crash.
Awareness is the turning point. You realize it's wiring, not weakness.
You slow down the pace.
You set boundaries.
You learn to self-soothe.
It feels hard at first.
But practice rewires the brain.
Secure attachment can be learned.
Relationships become balanced.
That's the climax, choosing safety over speed.
Getting attached fast isn't bad.
It means you value connection.
But connection needs pacing.
Slow down, breathe, notice patterns.
Attachment is a superpower when balanced.
Share this video with someone who attaches fast. Subscribe for more psychology explained simply.